Two common questions we get here at Grizzly regarding planer joiner combo machines are, how quickly do the machines convert from one mode to the next, and how easy is it to convert the machine? Short answers, very quickly and very easily. But let's walk through converting this G0634X step by step, and then I'll walk you back in real time. As a quick overview, this machine is a 12-inch planer joiner and features a 5 horsepower motor and a V-helical cutter head. It will do a 12-inch true capacity in the joiner and 9 inches in thickness while planing. The first step in converting your machine is to unplug it from power. Then we'll head to the front of the machine and remove the cutter head guard. Next, remove the fence by unlocking the lock lever and moving the fence forward. This allows the cutter head guard that's connected to the fence to clear. Then, set the fence assembly aside. We now have a bare joiner table, and it's time to lift these tables up and out of the way. To do this, unlock the table lock levers and lift the table upward until you hear the lock pin set in place. Each table is connected to a limit switch that keeps the machine from starting in this position, since the cutter head is exposed. Now, pivot the dust port from the joiner mode to planer mode, like this. Doing this disengages the limit switch, allowing the machine to work in planer mode. Now there's one final step, and that is to raise the selection lever to the up position. This lever engages the planer feed rollers and should only be used in this position when in planer mode. At this point, connect the machine to power, rotate the emergency stop button, and the machine is ready to plane. Now, let me show you in real time how quickly this can convert back to joiner mode. Adding a joiner planer combination machine like this G0634X to your shop can save valuable workspace without sacrificing power or capacity. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more videos like this.